In this video, I'll show you how to sell your website on Flippa.com. Go to Flippa.com and click on sign up. Then enter your email and password. Select I am looking to sell. Enter your first name and last name. You need to also provide country, number and others information. Enter your website URL. Select your category and annual revenue, profit. Continue. Click on Active My Account. Verify your email address. Now click on Sell Now. Enter your website name. Select your business category again. Select a subcategory. Again, enter here your website name. Then select when you launched your website. Business location and industry. Enter here last 1 year revenue. Click continue. How many active clients do you have? Enter here the average value of services. Enter here the percentage of last year revenue growth. Click continue. How do you make money? So I will select service and subscription and ads. Click continue. Now select how do you collect your payment. You need to connect PayPal or Stripe. After that, click continue. So I will keep it yes because I have to provide my financial data with my buyers. So it's very important. Add here your revenue and expense. Click continue. Add here your primary expense like domain registration, hosting, development and others. You need to add it yourself. Continue. Now select domain, website, email address, social media accounts. I will keep it yes. Continue. You can link your business social media accounts here. Continue. Type here a short description. Now here describe about your business. This is very important step, so you have to write about your business carefully. Again click continue. Here is the another part of payment proof. You have to upload here the transaction history of your website. You need to add the transaction history of like this. Upload here the payment proof. You can also add here a video, it's optional. Then click continue. Here we go, our listing is ready. Now set your price. Here you can choose two options, auction and asking price. So I will keep auction. Enter here the minimum bidding. We will keep 30 days and also we will keep it no. Continue. Now you need to pay. This is a one-time fee. Before you list your website on Flippa.com, must be you have to pay. I have selected the entry package. Click continue. Again continue. Now you have to pay $29. After you pay, your listing will be pending and Flippa customer support will check your application and website. After that, and your listing will be look like this. They can also ask you to verify your identity.